So whose birthday is it today?
Sunny!
Is it Auntie Shawnee's birthday? And how old is she?
Maybe this one.
Maybe that one. What's that?
It's 3 years old.
You think she's 3 years old?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's a young one, isn't she? Yeah. Okay, can we sing happy birthday to her? Okay, you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Orla. Who?
Sunny.
Happy birthday to you.
And sing quiet.
Okay, sit down please in your chair, okay? Hey, stop. So we're gonna sing it now in Chinese. Are you ready? Are you ready? Juni Shangre. Nice and loud. Juni Shangre. Juni Shangre. And what do you say now to Auntie Shawnee? What do you say?